Okay, guys, before I start the class, please listen carefully, because whatever I'm teaching you today is going to help you in your next grammar class. Whenever I take English next, that's when I will teach you the next part. And
Okay,
I'm going to teach you something called simple, compound, and complex sentences. Do you remember in your RC papers, they said from simple sentence, make compound sentence? Those questions were there?
Yes, ma'am. In 5.5.
Yes. So in higher RC level papers, simple sentence में compound sentence change करना है. So from simple sentence, you have to make compound sentence. Those kind of questions were there. So when I saw those questions, I thought, okay, this is something my students don't know. I have to teach them. Okay. So before we actually learn simple, complex, and compound sentence, we need to learn what is subject, verb, and clause. Okay. How many of you know what is subject? Can you please give me a thumbs up? Give me a thumbs up if you know. Subject as in not math, science, English. Not that subject. Subject in English is something different. Okay, if you don't know that, okay, fine. I did not see a lot of thumbs ups. Umesh, do you have a doubt?
Ma'am, subject means like we describe something, no?
Okay, no, not that, but we'll come to subject. Actually, 6th graders knew subject. You know that? 6th graders ko subject pata tha. How come you don't know? But it's okay, we'll learn. How many of you know what is verb? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. How many of you know what is a verb? Verb. Only 4-5 people. बाकी लोग को verb नहीं पता है. What are verb? Tell me. Who can tell me what is a verb?
I can tell, ma'am.
Action word. Action word.
Action word. Please stop
Action
shouting.
word.
Arfat, like a good boy, he asked me permission also. Arfat, thank you so much for asking permission. Okay, verb is action word.
Also ask, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you already know verb kya hai. Now we are going to study what is subject and what is clause. And remember, whatever you studied today, you need to make it little perfect, because whatever you're studying right now will help you in next class. If you don't know this, next class will be super confusing. Okay, so make sure that you're understanding properly, and I will give you so many practice questions. All of you have to answer on the chat box. Okay, deal? Everybody will practice. If you don't practice, then it's going to be a problem. Give me a thumbs up. Everybody is going to practice with me. Bore nahi hona hai. Interesting hai. But keep answering on the chat box. I am still not seeing responses from some of you, which means some of you are sleeping. Okay? If I ask you questions in between, it's going to be a huge problem if you don't answer. All right. First things first, we are going to see what is a subject. Okay? The person, place, thing, or idea that the sentence is about. It is always a noun. So, for example, if I am giving you any sentence, वो sentence जिस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहा है, that is your subject. Okay, or whatever that sentence is talking about, that will be your subject. For example, I'm going to write down some things. 1 second. For example, if I say the cat is very cute. Okay, so this sentence is talking about what?
Cat.
About cat. This sentence is talking about the cat. Cat is a noun.
Yes.
Yes. Noun, you know, right? It's either a name, place, animal, or thing. Okay. So whatever noun is there, and जो sentence उसके बारे में बात कर रहा है, जिस sentence में whatever is they're talking about the cat. So cat is our subject. ठीक है? Now let me give you another example. Okay. I'm giving you another example. The cat ate the mouse. How many nouns are there? Tell me what are the nouns here?
2, ma'am.
Cat and mouse.
Cat and mouse. Okay. So can I say that cat and mouse are both subjects?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Okay. The cat ate the mouse. इस sentence में who are they talking about? Main person कौन है?
The cat.
Cat is our main thing. They're saying the cat is doing something. Okay. So this mouse, they're not talking about the mouse. They're talking about the cat. So mouse is not our subject, only cat is our subject.
Ma'am, mouse is object.
Mouse is not object. We are not looking at object and all. Okay, we are only seeing subject. But I'm glad you know what is object. Okay, but right now we are only looking at subject.
Okay.
तो sentence जिस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहा है, that is our subject. ठीक है, cat के बारे में बात कर रहा है, तो cat is our subject. They're talking about cat. Cat is our subject. They are not talking about mouse. They said that cat is eating mouse. Okay, so mouse is not our subject. So now everybody is clear on what is a subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now please take a screenshot of this also. Actually, I will, yeah, take a screenshot of this and you can write this example. The cat is very cute. Wait, hold on. Don't take a screenshot now. So this is the subject. The cat ate the mouse. And this is the subject. Okay. This is noun, but it is not subject. Okay. This and this is subject. So you need to write this in your notebook. Can you please take a screenshot? 3, 2,
Yes, ma'am.
1. I'm clearing it now. Now next is easy verb. You all know, action verb. I'll take the same example again. Okay. The cat is very cute and the cat ate the mouse. Okay.
Eight is verb.
Ate is a verb. I'm going to use a different color. What about the first sentence? What is the verb in the first sentence? Huh? What is the verb in the first sentence?
Eat. Yeah, cat, sir.
Cat is not verb. Is the verb.
Yes.
Okay. Hai is matlab hai, right?
Verb matlab tha.
Tha. So cat is an action verb. So is the verb and next wale mein ate is the action verb. So ate is the apna verb jo bhi hai. ठीक है? So you know whatever words that are showing action are called action words. Okay. Now we are coming to main part. Tell me, do you know, did you guys write this? Can you take a screenshot of this? Okay, I'll write this. Pink one is verb. Okay, I hope you're taking a screenshot.
Yeah, ma'am.
Keep deleting. Screenshot ek baar notebook mein likh ke keep deleting it, please. Now we are moving to the main part, which is little confusing, which is called clause. How many of you knew what is clause? It's not Santa Claus. Okay, fine. Okay, since nobody said that they knew what is clause, huh?
Ma'am, name.
Not name. Okay. A clause is a structure. I will tell you what this structure is that has a subject and a verb. Okay. So there is a sentence, मान लो, okay? Since it was raining, comma, I got late. Okay. This is a complete sentence. Is this a sentence? Yes or no? It is a
Yes.
sentence. There is a full
ma'am.
stop. It is starting somewhere, stopping somewhere. It is a sentence. Clause जो है, clause is a part of a sentence. Okay. For example, यहाँ से यहाँ तक is a clause. Can you
Yes,
please
ma'am.
be on mute, Alia? Alia, yes. यहाँ से यहाँ तक is clause number 1. यहाँ से यहाँ तक is clause number 2. ठीक है? अगर आपका sentence बहुत छोटा है, if your sentence is a small sentence, like example here, the doorbell rang or I got late. This will also be a clause. A whole sentence can also be a clause, or clause can be a part of sentence. Okay, so it is any structure. It is like a part of sentence or a sentence, but it should have a subject and a verb. Got it? For example, in the first one, since it was raining, raining is the verb. and it is the subject. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In the second one, what is subject? I got late. Mein what is subject? I got late. Mein what is subject?
Ma'am, I is late.
I is the subject and what is verb?
Ma'am, got
God.
Late.
Late is the verb. Okay. Can you all be on mute? Ume Kulsum, be on mute. Thank you. All right. So now you know हर एक clause में एक subject और एक verb होता है. Always a clause will have a subject and a verb. Okay. Now, in this sentence, let's do this small thing. What is the subject here? In the doorbell rang. Subject is जिसके बारे में sentence है.
Ma'am.
Whatever the sentence. Yes. So what is the subject here?
Doorbell.
Doorbell is the subject. Okay. And what is the verb?
Rang.
Rang is the verb. Is this clear to everyone? Can I get a thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are coming to say Abdul Shahid, you did not understand. Now we'll see what is independent and dependent clause. Okay. If I give you a statement, since it was raining, is this a complete sentence?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is this sentence complete? Is this a complete sentence?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's not
No, ma'am.
complete.
Not complete sentence. Okay.
We can
Now tell me, I got late. Is this a complete sentence?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I got
Yes.
late. Is it a complete sentence?
Yes.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर मैं बोलूं I got late, ठीक है? अगर आप मेरे को पूछो, hey रोहिणी,
Ma'am,
why
for,
are you late?
ma'am,
If I
for,
say, 1 second, Umesh. If somebody asks me, what are you doing here at this time? And I answer with, I got late. Is that a complete sentence?
No, ma'am. It is.
No, ma'am.
It's not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again, listen to me carefully. If somebody asks me, hey Rohini, what are you doing here at this time? Okay, and I say, hi, I got late. क्या उसका समझ आ रहा है? Can you understand the meaning that I got late?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So is it a complete sentence?
No, ma'am. It is
No,
not.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am.
Same question if somebody is asking me, hey Rohini, what are you doing here at this time? Arfat, I'll answer your doubt. Wait. If somebody asks me, Rohini, what are you doing here at this time? And I say, since it is raining. My answer is since it is raining. You already said that it's not a complete sentence. Arfat, go ahead. What were you saying?
Ma'am, that sentence you told, no, ma'am. It is not complete because the question was, why are you here? Because you have to tell why are you here. You
Don't
told, I am
mind the
late.
question, darling. Okay, let me not put a question if that's the confusion. I'm not putting any question there. Don't look at the question. But अगर कोई आपके पास आके बोलता है कि I got late, will you be able to understand what they're saying?
no, ma'am, we
Yes,
don't
ma'am. Yes.
know what we got late.
No question. There is no question.
Ma'am, we understand, ma'am. He's got late.
That a person got late. There is a subject, there is a verb, there is a full stop, everything. So it is a complete sentence. The doorbell rang. Is it a complete sentence?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am. This is
Okay.
a complete
When I
sentence.
say complete sentence, इसका मतलब, be on mute all of you please. Somebody is not on mute. I said be on mute. Okay. जब मैं बोलूं complete sentence, when I say complete sentence, it means that a sentence जिसका अकेले ही कोई मतलब बन रहा है. It is making sense all on its own. Okay. The doorbell rang. Okay. Is it a complete thought? Is it making sense? The doorbell
ma'am.
rang. It is making
Yes.
sense. I got late. Is it making sense?
Yes.
If I say I ate a
Yes.
burger, I ate a burger. Is it making sense?
Yes.
So it is a complete sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Understand.
If I say, since it was raining, is it a complete sentence? Since it was raining.
Yes, ma'am.
Since it was raining, आगे क्या? कुछ भी नहीं है. Since it was raining. Okay.
Then-
Because I was hungry. Because I was hungry. आगे कुछ भी नहीं है. So it is an incomplete sentence. Do you get that point? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Not
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप वर्ड यूज कर रहे हो बिकॉज इट वॉज बिकॉज, अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो सिंस इट वॉज समथिंग, व्हेन दिस हैपेंड, उसके आगे आपको बताना भी होगा ना कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एक्चुअली. बिकॉज दिस थिंग हैपेंड, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस एंड से व्हाट एल्स हैपेंड, राइट? Is it making a little sense? Okay, let me give you more examples. So the point is, what I'm saying is, there is some sentences which are complete on its own, it can make sense. Okay, those sentences are called independent clause, and the sentences which are not completed and it cannot make sense on its own, वो अपने आप में ही कोई मतलब नहीं बनाता है, उसमें एक एक्स्ट्रा लाइन की जरूरत पड़ती है उसको सेंस बनाने के लिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम यहाँ पे देते हैं डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज में, इन्होंने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया, व्हेन डैड इज नॉट होम. ओके, व्हेन डैड इज नॉट होम, इज इट अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it is not a complete sentence.
No,
When
ma'am,
dad
it
is
is not a
home,
complete sentence. Complete sentence.
it is an incomplete sentence. When dad is not home, उसके आगे क्या? लेकिन अगर मैं लिखूं when dad is not home, I go to play. Now
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it a
Complete
complete
sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, अगर मैं लिखूं I go to play, इसको अकेले, if I'm writing this separately without when dad is not home, is this a complete sentence?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is also a complete sentence. Okay, so do you see this I go to play is a sentence जिसको it does not need any other sentence to make sense. If I just write I go to play, it is making a complete meaning. Okay, but when dad is not home, this clause, if I'm just looking at this one clause, I told you this is a clause one. Okay, clause is a part of sentence. If I look at this one clause, when dad is not home, अगर मैं उसको अकेले लिखूं, if I'm writing it only one, it does not make sense. I need to add something else. If when dad is not home, comma, I go to play. If I'm adding something else to it, then this first part is making sense. इसका मतलब बन रहा है. ठीक है? अगर मैंने ये line, if I'm not writing I go to play, then this line will not make sense. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means this sentence is dependent on I go to play to make sense. इसका कोई meaning नहीं है without this. This does not have any meaning without this sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
So this clause, this first part of the sentence is dependent on the second part of sentence for a meaning. But the second part of sentence, ये वाला जो part है, I go to play, इसको मैं ऐसे ही लिख सकती हूँ. Without the first part also, it is making meaning. It is having some meaning. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
All right. So now this is what, so first one is dependent clause and the second one is independent clause. Okay. How will you identify dependent and independent clause? Okay. So that's what I'm going to teach you now. And then we'll do a lot of practice. Okay. So if a sentence is not complete, okay, incomplete sentence, then it is a dependent clause. If a sentence is complete, then it is an independent clause. Okay, do you see how this in wala is opposite?
Yeah, ma'am.
So you have to remember it this way. If the sentence is incomplete, it is a independent. Sorry, if the sentence is incomplete, it is a dependent clause. ठीक है, ये in वाला is opposite. Will you be able to remember that? Incomplete means dependent without in and complete wala independent. Is this making sense? Can you remember this much?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are looking at examples, okay? Independent clause, the doorbell rang. Okay, let me write this sentence in a separate way. Okay, let me write, since I pressed the button, comma, the doorbell, sorry, doorbell ki spelling also I'm writing wrong. Doorbell rang. Okay. So isme independent clause is which one? Independent means complete. Okay. Which is the complete sentence in this?
The doorbell rang.
Ma'am, since
No. The doorbell rang is the independent clause.
that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
written that is independent.
Yes. So what is the dependent clause then?
And
Since I
I
pressed the
don't-
button.
doorbell rang.
Since I pressed the button is the dependent clause and the doorbell rang is the independent clause.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there is a let me say I'll give you one dependent clause and I want you to change it to a complete sentence. Okay. I want you to add a independent clause to it. Okay. So let me
Okay,
say because it was dark, comma. So this is my independent clause. ठीक है? Sorry, this is my dependent clause क्योंकि ये incomplete sentence है. Yes? Agreed?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can I
ma'am.
tell?
Yes, Meg, go ahead.
I love that color because it was dark.
Okay, perfect. I love that color because it was dark. Okay? Or because it is dark.
Okay, ma'am.
तो आपका डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जो है वो आगे भी हो सकता है. इट कुड बी द फर्स्ट क्लॉज आल्सो और इट कुड बी द सेकंड क्लॉज आल्सो. All you have to see is if it is complete, that means it is independent clause. If it is incomplete, that means it is what clause?
Indep.
If it is
Dependent.
incomplete, then it is
Dependent.
Dependent.
dependent clause. Okay. So I need you to write
Okay.
independent में you will write complete sentence. Okay, so this is your hint. जब भी आपको एक सेंटेंस दिया जाएगा आपको पहले देखना है कि is it complete or incomplete. If it is a complete sentence, you will automatically say this is independent clause. If it is incomplete sentence, you will say that it is a incomplete clause. Sorry, it is a dependent clause. ठीक है? So mostly जो incomplete sentences होते हैं या incomplete clause होते हैं, it will start with words like when, since, because, although. Okay, got it? It will start with a very different sort of a word. कोई condition से ये start करेगा. जब, when means जब. It will start with a condition. Because मतलब क्योंकि. ठीक है? So all these dependent clauses or incomplete sentences are starting with a condition and it is not being completed afterwards. Is it making sense? Can you all give me a thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all give me a thumbs up if you understood basic difference? Then we'll practice, don't worry. Arfat, do you have a doubt? I did not, one second Arfat, I did not get any thumbs up from Ayan, Aisha, Asfia, Hussain. I don't know if you are listening or you're sleeping. Yes, tell me Arfat.
No, ma'am.
Arfat, tell me.
No, ma'am, I did not have a doubt. I wanted to answer.
Okay, perfect. All right, so this is what you have to write in your notebook. First point, second point, third point, like this. And this is your hint. Complete sentence, incomplete sentence. Okay. So I will actually pause here and I want you guys to quickly in your mind, ekdam keep it. What is subject? Everybody close your eyes. I'm revising. Subject is the name, place, animal or thing or the noun about which the whole sentence is talking about. ठीक है? जिसके बारे में वो sentence बात कर रहा है, that is your subject. Verb is action word. Clauses are of two types, dependent and independent. Dependent clauses are incomplete sentences and independent clauses are complete sentences. Okay? So now
Okay, ma'am.
just put that in your head. Just ये independent, complete, dependent, incomplete. अपने आप को just take 5 seconds to memorize that. So here our first exercise is to identify the subject and the verb. You guys are not coming off mute right now. Okay? You guys are not going to come off mute. You're just using your chat box. In each of this sentence, there is one word that is put in black color. Okay? Complete black. You have to tell me if that is the subject or the verb. Okay? If it is a subject, you need to think that is it a name, place, animal or thing. If it is a noun, it is a subject. If it is an action word, it is a verb. Okay? So the first question is the dog shivered. Here they have underlined the word shivered. Okay? Shiver का मतलब क्या होता है? Can somebody tell me shiver? Unmute करके.
Okay.
Don't tell me what the answer is. Tell me what is shiver in meaning of shiver. You don't know what is shiver. It's very cold, so I am feeling shivery. Okay. So shiver matlab कांपना या shake करना. That is a verb. So I did the first one for you guys. Now from this next one onwards, you guys are doing. Second question. An owl shrieked. Owl is a subject or a verb. On the chat box, start typing right now. You can write S or V. Okay, so the second one, owl is an animal. It's a noun, so that's a subject. Third one is moon disappeared behind the clouds. Is that a subject or a verb? I got 3 answers, 4 answers. Don't come off mute. You will write on chat box. Okay, I got 6 answers. Only 6 people have answered. 7 people, 8 people. That's it. Only 8 people have answered. I'm still seeing the same students answer. Third one ka answer is disappeared is a verb. Okay, Manan, come off mute.
Ma'am, verb, ma'am.
V is a verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Is V an action word?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then
It is a subject.
Subject.
it is a subject. Because V is not an action word. यहाँ पे V weighted मतलब ये sentence V हमारे बारे में हो रहा है बात. So it's a subject. Okay, quickly now we are going to improve our speed. Fifth one, nobody said a word. On the chat box, quickly. Said. Said is a subject or a verb?
Sixth one I sent you, no.
Yes. Sixth one you have sent me, Umesh. I will ask you to come off mute in some time. Said. Okay. Most of you are saying subject. Okay. Umesh,
No,
come
ma'am.
off mute.
Here. Ma'am, I send you.
I know. Umesh, come off mute. Umesh, come off mute quickly. The recording is going on.
What,
Yes.
ma'am?
You said this is a subject.
Verb, ma'am. By mistake I said.
Why is it a verb?
Because it is action word.
What is said ka matlab?
Bolna.
बोलना. So this is a action word. It is a verb. So जितने लोगों ने subject लिखा है, understood? तो इस वाले sentence में subject क्या होगा guys? इस वाले sentence में subject क्या है?
Ma'am, nobody. Nobody.
Nobody is the subject. Perfect. Amazing. ठीक है? Nobody. Nobody मतलब कोई भी नहीं. But nobody is the subject here क्योंकि they are addressing all those people who are not there. So nobody said a word. किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला, तो ये nobody के बात कर रहे हैं, तो that is the subject. Very good. Okay, next one, sixth one. For a moment, nobody even breathed. Nobody again is subject or verb?
Verb.
Subject.
On the chat box.
Subject.
Okay, nobody here is the subject. Okay, but next time please use the chat box. Seventh one. A light rain fell on our hand. Fell is subject or verb? Okay, I'm getting answers. Arfat has sent me the answer. Others? Sahil, okay, perfect. Mehak,
Ma'am, I also sent.
yes, okay.
Tell me one
Alia,
more
come
time
off
in
mute
word.
again. Alia. Fell का मतलब क्या होता है आलिया?
Fell.
Fell. She fell down.
Can I say, ma'am?
Alia will answer. She fell down.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, somebody tell me what is the meaning of fell. Aisha Khanum will answer.
Girjana.
गिर जाना. Okay, fine. Fell का मतलब is to fall down. गिर जाना. Now tell me, Alia, this is subject or verb?
Ma'am, subject.
How is it subject? क्या
Ma'am,
ये पूरे सेंटेंस में गिरने की बात कर रहे हैं या ये पूरा सेंटेंस है किसके बारे में? ये पूरा सेंटेंस किसके बारे में है guys? Anyone can answer?
Ma'am, light rain.
This full sentence is about light rain, हल्की सी बारिश. Okay, it's about very light rain that is falling. That is the subject. Rain is the subject. Fell will be
Verb.
verb. Got it, Alia?
Verb.
क्योंकि
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
गिरने की बात ओवरऑल इसमें रेन की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? Okay, 8th one on the chat box. The leaves trembled. Subject or verb? I got the answer from some of you. Okay, I'm getting more answers. Hussein, come off mute.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, हुसैन इसमें बताओ किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
क्या? The
Leaves
leaf
trembled.
tremble. Ma'am, वो tremble.
Tremble का मतलब पता है किसी को?
Shake.
Yes,
Like shaking.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Like shaking. Okay, like shaking. Asma, can you tell me if this is trembled is subject or verb?
Verb.
This will be a verb. That was not Asma's voice.
Ma'am,
But this
subject.
is a verb. It is not a subject,
Ma'am,
darling.
verb.
What will be the subject? Tell me. Are they talking
Sub-
about, is trembled a noun? Is trembled a noun?
No.
No. What is the noun here? यहाँ पे इस 8th sentence में what is the noun?
Ma'am, the leaves.
Leaves is the noun. So leaf is the subject. Trembled is verb. Trembled is shaking action. ठीक है? Got it? Okay, 9th one. Our heart beats faster. Our heart beat faster. Okay? So beat on the chat box. Subject or verb? Think is it a noun? Is it an action word? Ume Kulsum, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ume Kulsum, yeah. So beat is a noun.
Ma'am, subject.
Is beat a noun? What do you mean by beat?
Ma'am, beat.
Action.
Marna.
Beat matlab marna. Now tell me beat is subject. Is it a noun or action?
Ma'am, noun.
Beat करना यानी
Action
मारना. Is noun मतलब noun यानी name, place, animal, thing.
Ma'am, action word.
So this is a verb. तो इसमें noun क्या है? What is the noun here?
Ma'am, overheard.
Heart. Heart is the noun, so
Overheard.
heart will be the subject. Okay, Ume, go
Okay.
on mute. Thank you. 10th question. The black sky opened up. Sky is noun or verb? Sky. Sky का मतलब क्या होता है? Husna will come off mute. Okay, Husna has given me the correct answer. Okay. Sahil will come off mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahil. So tell me, what did you give me the answer for this? Sky
I
का
give
मतलब
verb.
बताओ साहिल.
Asman.
Asman. Is that a noun or a verb? Asman is action word.
No.
Then
Subject.
it is a subject. And what answer did you give me?
Verb.
What is the verb here? ये भी बता दो साहिल. What is the verb?
Open.
Opened is the verb. Perfect. Okay. 11th one. Furious flames lit up the night. Flames is subject or verb? On the chat box, flame is subject or verb on the chat box. Okay, Arfat has given me the answer.
Ma'am, I also given, ma'am.
You gave me some 10 years ago, means how will I see? You should give when I'm asking. No, its chat has gone up. No. Okay, Mehak has given me the answer. Others, only 2 answers I got. Okay, Mehak Khanum, come off mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by flames, Lalit?
What, ma'am?
Flames का मतलब क्या है? साइंस में भी हमने पढ़ा है. Flames का मतलब
Flames.
कौन से चैप्टर में पढ़ा है हमने? Flames. एक चैप्टर का नाम भी है ये.
Combustion and flame.
Combustion and flame. What is flame? Mehak Khanum, what is flame?
Ma'am.
Can somebody tell me what is flame? Who can tell me what is flame?
God.
Yes. अंगार. कैंडल में से जो वो निकलता है ये चीज, this is flame. Now tell me, Mehak Khanum, is flames action word or is it a noun?
Action word.
Is it? तो lit क्या है? Lit. ये सेंटेंस किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है महक? What is the
In
sentence?
this last one, ma'am.
Yes, in the last one, what is this sentence
Ma'am,
talking about?
That can
Candle
flames.
word is not there.
Flames, ma'am.
They're talking about flame. So flame will be what? Subject or verb?
Subject.
Subject. It is not verb. What is the verb here, Mehak?
Lit.
Lit is the verb. Lit up is the verb. Lit up मतलब जलाना. Furious flame lit up the light. Flames ने
Okay, ma'am.
एकदम रात को उजाला कर दिया. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Do you
ma'am.
know what is adjective?
Yes, ma'am.
What are adjectives?
Describing word.
Adjectives are describing words. So light rain, halki barish. Light is an adjective. Okay, black sky mein black is an adjective. What about this? In the last line, what is the adjective?
Furious.
Furious is the adjective क्योंकि वो describe कर रहा है कि sky black है, rain is light, flame is furious. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that is adjective. Is there any adjective in the first line? Is there an adjective in the first line? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the adjective here?
Dog.
Dog is the adjective.
No, ma'am.
Dog is what? Dog is subject. There is no adjective here. If the sentence is the big dog, then big will be the adjective. Because that word is describing the dog. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you now know what is subject and what is verb. Now we are going to go to another website to play a game which is to identify dependent or independent clause. Okay. So this is the game. There are 10 questions. Again, the same rules you will answer on the chat box. Okay. Do you see in each sentence there are 2 parts and one part is written in capital letters. So they are asking if the capital letter wala is dependent or independent clause. Okay. So that's what you guys will tell me. If it is a complete sentence, it will be what clause?
Independent.
Independent.
Independent clause. If it is an incomplete sentence, it will be
Dependent clause.
dependent clause. Okay, let's do the first one. And you can actually, if you want to understand this, आप अगर ये वाला cut करके देखोगे, if this sentence is making sense without this line, then it will be an independent clause. If it is not making sense, you can like hide one sentence and see, is it making sense? Is it not making sense? Okay. Okay. Let's do the first one on the chat box, please. Nobody is coming off mute. If you don't fix the car, it will continue to leak oil. It will continue to leak oil. Is that dependent or independent? On the chat box. On the chat box, dependent. Don't write A, B. Please try to write the full sentence. Or so not the full sentence, please try to write the full word, right? Independent or dependent, आपकी spelling practice हो जाएगी. Okay, I got 3 answers so far. Arfat will come off mute.
What, ma'am?
Arfat will come off mute. Arfat, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It will continue to leak oil. Is this sentence complete or incomplete?
Incomplete, ma'am.
Why is it incomplete?
Ma'am, because no, it will. What will continue to leak? We don't have. that.
Okay, whenever you are thinking this way, try to hide the next one also. If I do this, if I remove this one, if you don't fix the car, tell me if this is complete or incomplete.
This is
Complete.
This is complete sentence. If you don't fix the car, if you don't fix the car,
incomplete.
Incomplete.
this is incomplete. So if
Ma'am.
one is incomplete, the other one will be.
Complete.
This is your incomplete clause. Okay. This is your incomplete clause. So this one will be what?
Complete, ma'am.
Complete.
Okay. Even if this it is not specified, agar aapka it jo hai, it is not specified also, but this still makes sense. But this one does not make sense at all if you fix the car. If you don't fix the car. If you don't fix the car, then what will happen? Okay, but if I just point at the car and I say it will continue to leak oil, that still makes sense. Got it? So now tell me, what should I mark here? Is this dependent or independent? Independent. Okay, we will check the answers later. Okay, you said this is independent. Okay, let's do the second one. While the car is being fixed, we will need to take the bus. While the car is being fixed, is that dependent or independent?
Man, dependent.
Not on. Go to the chat. Okay, I'm getting more answers. Umesh will come off mute.
I know, ma'am.
Why, Umesh? What is this? Is this a complete sentence, this much?
Well, the car is finished. Yes, ma'am.
It's a complete sentence, how? Remove this line. If I only keep this, while the car is being fixed, full stop. Is it making sense?
No, ma'am.
Umesh will answer. Is it making sense, Umesh?
No, ma'am.
So this is complete or incomplete?
Incomplete.
So what kind of clause is it?
Dependent.
All right, dependent clause. Okay. So guys, again, look at the hints. Okay. please look at the hint. All the dependent clause will start with something like this. Sorry, not like this. Something like while, because, although,
Since.
since, A-L, okay, A-L-T-H-O-E-J, since, okay, hence, therefore. ऐसे जो words हैं इनसे start होती हैं ये चीजें. Okay, these are the words that will be used in like dependent clause, because therefore when you are giving a condition, these are condition words. Okay, if is a condition, because is a condition, because this, then what, although, since मतलब क्योंकि ऐसा हुआ, okay, अगर ऐसा हुआ, so that is a condition word. Okay, let's do the third one now. It isn't necessary to cram all night if you have studied a little each day. On the chat box, if you have studied a little each day. Okay, I got answer from Arfat. Others waiting for your answers. Dependent or independent? This one is starting with if you have studied. Then what? I don't know. So then this is what, Aisha? Complete sentence or incomplete sentence?
Complete.
This is a complete sentence or incomplete sentence? All by itself, is it a complete sentence or incomplete sentence?
Ma'am,
अपने-
incomplete.
अपने आप में this is an incomplete sentence. So what clause will it be? Dependent clause. Okay, now again we'll do the next one. Okay, fourth question. I will make you do screenshot also, don't worry. Before you begin studying for the exam, you will probably want to rest. Okay, you will probably want to rest. Okay, I got answer from Arfat, Umesh. Now I want, I think, Hussein to answer. Hussein can come off mute. Mehak and Aisha are getting
Ma'am.
slightly confused.
Answer B.
Answer B, Hussein.
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन क्यों हुसैन? क्या ये complete sentence है?
You was by.
You will,
You is by.
you will probably want to rest. Is that a complete sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
So what clause is it? Complete sentence है तो?
Complete income.
Complete sentence है तो कौन सा clause होता है?
D क्या नाम हो? तो ये
ए नहीं बचे, अगर complete है तो उल्टा in वाला word आएगा, independent clause.
independent, ma'am. वैसे ना
हाँ, आपने वही बोला, आपको रीजन देना है ना. Your answer was correct, but you give me the reason also, no? Okay, Aisha and Mehak, I'm seeing that you girls are getting a little confused. Mehak Umachagi. Okay, guys, when you're reading, can you also read the next line? Don't just read this one and see. Read the other line also. Okay, and see, is this line, be on mute everybody. Be on mute everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, आप दूसरा line भी check करोगे. You're gonna check both the lines and see, without this line, is this making sense? Without this line, is it making sense? Got it, Mehak and Aisha? Can you see that next time? Check both the
Ma'am,
lines.
which Mehak, ma'am?
And we're doing the fifth one now. Mehak Umachagi. Okay, not you, Mehak Khanum. I'm seeing other Mehak is getting confused. Okay. So on the chat box, I can't go to the movie since I don't have any money. Since I don't have any money is dependent or independent?
Dependent.
Dependent. Why, Aisha?
Because he does not have money. Since I don't have money.
Since. So tell me if it is a complete sentence or incomplete sentence?
Incomplete.
Incomplete sentence. So what clause is it?
Dependent clause.
Perfect. Okay, Mehak Umachagi will come off mute. Mehak Umajagi will tell me the sixth one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now tell me, others will put it on the chat. Sixth one, others put on chat. I'm seeing Arfat and Umayyad are super active. Hussein also is trying. Hussein, keep it up. Okay, sixth one. Whether he attends the party or not, I have decided to go. Mehak, so this is incomplete sentence or complete sentence?
Complete.
How is it complete?
Ma'am, first one. Ma'am, this full sentence or half?
I'm only marking this much. No, jo capitals mein whatever is written. Is that complete or incomplete?
Ma'am, that is depend.
This is dependent. This is incomplete sentence. Whether he attends the party or not. Again, it is starting with whether. Then what? What is the condition? Starting with a condition word. Okay. I have decided to go is a complete sentence. This is an incomplete sentence. So which clause is it?
Dependent clause.
Dependent clause. Okay, fine. Let's do the seventh one. Mehak Khanum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Seventh one. I will stop playing the drums when you go to sleep. I will stop playing the drums. Complete sentence or incomplete?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Ma'am, complete
Mehak will
I
say.
will stop playing the drums when I will stop playing the drums. It is not full sentence, ma'am.
Is it not full sentence? If I remove this, will it still have some meaning? Will this sentence still have meaning?
Yes, ma'am. I will stop playing the drums.
So is it complete sentence?
Yes.
Is it a complete clause? Okay, it is a complete one. So what kind of clause is it?
Independent.
Independent clause. What about this one? When you go to sleep, that is what clause?
When you go to sleep.
If I remove this,
Ma'am, it is not.
it is not complete.
Ma'am, that is no dependent clause because you are waiting to when you go to sleep.
Yeah, when you go to sleep is dependent clause. This one is independent
I will
clause.
stop playing drums. Independent clause.
Yes. So the question they're asking, I will stop playing the drums. So that is our independent clause.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Eighth question. Since you have taken exam in biology, on the chat box, please. I'm seeing amazing responses on the chat box, especially from 3 to 4 people. Okay, eighth question on the chat box. I got answers already from a few. Others, send me your answers on the chat box. Only 3 more questions left. Okay, Sayyid Shahid will come off mute. Sayyid Shahid, come.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Since you've taken your exam in biology, is it a complete sentence? Sayyid Shahid?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not complete. So what clause is it?
Dependent.
Dependent clause. And what answer did you give me?
Independent.
Got it now? So this one will be the independent clause. But this one is the dependent clause. Okay, perfect. I'm so happy to see that most of you have got the concept. 2 more left. Who wants to answer with me? Who wants to practice with me? Raise your hand.
I can, ma'am.
Okay, I heard Manan and Aisha. Actually, Simran has not answered at all.
I am also.
Okay, I will take Simran. Simran ko Manan will help. Aisha Taj, Asfiya Taj ko Aisha Khanum will help. Okay, let's start with Simran and Manan. Okay, Simran. Tell me what the answer. What is this? I refuse to see him. Complete or incomplete sentence?
Incomplete, ma'am.
Okay, Manan, tell me, is she right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this an incomplete sentence?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Complete, sir.
Okay, why is it complete, Manan?
Ma'am, because they're having see him, ma'am.
Yeah, there is subject. See, in all these clauses, there is a subject and verb also. Okay, okay, fine.
Incomplete.
You are saying this is incomplete, Simran?
Yes, ma'am.
But why, darling? दूसरा वाला line देखो. Until he apologizes to me for his rude behavior. ये कहाँ से, कौन से word से start हो रहा है?
Until.
So अभी ये कौन सा, क्या ये complete sentence होगा?
No.
ये complete sentence नहीं है, तो ये वाला sentence क्या है?
Complete.
ये तो complete है. Okay, this one is complete sentence. Then what is this clause, Simran? What
To
clause
me
is it?
for his
अगर ये complete sentence है, so then what clause is it?
independence, ma'am.
Independent clause. Okay, very good. Last one. Aisha, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Yeah, Aisha and Asfiya. Because
Ma'am,
it looked
dependent
like it might
clause.
snow.
Dependent clause.
It is a dependent clause because it is an incomplete sentence. Okay, fine. So we'll check your answers. You've got 100 out of 100. All your answers are correct. Please take a screenshot of the first 5 and you will write it in your notebook. First 5. You've taken a screenshot. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am.
3, 2, 1.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, last 5. Take a screenshot. 3, 2, 1. You are supposed to write it like this and independent clause में से tick tick करते जाओगे, ठीक है? Okay, done. Guys, please revise this before. Yes, the class is over. I have to go to another meeting. I'm super late. Please revise this before you come to my next English class, which is, I think, I'll either try to take on a Monday, not Saturday. I'll take Monday, okay? So I'll take your class and then I will teach you simple, compound and complex sentences. For that, you have to
Okay,
revise this and come, okay? So keep
Okay,
your
ma'am.
notes ready so that आप उसको revise कर सकते हो. Okay, keep your notes
Okay,
ready
ma'am.
for that. Because that is going to be more difficult. That is going to be more difficult, so you have to be prepared for this. Okay, that's it. I'm going to stop recording.